Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Antoinette. For today's video, I'm gonna do a 3-month review of my Alma BB in Epi Leather, and this one is in Galet color. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're into luxury unboxings, reviews, lifestyle, as well as fashion, beauty, and travel, if you would consider subscribing and click that notification bell so you won't miss any future videos. So now let's get started. So this Louis Vuitton Alma BB is part of the Alma line from Louis Vuitton. Here are the entire Alma line from Louis Vuitton. And I chose the Epi leather because I wanted to get a leather from Louis Vuitton this time. And I really like the Galet color. I think the Galet matches with so many outfits, and I love how you could wear this color all season. So right now I've been enjoying this during the spring summer season, and let me give you a quick description of this bag. But by the way, the retail price for this bag right now is $1,760. So for those of you that are not familiar with the Alma BB, so the Alma BB comes in different material. So this one is in Epi leather and it has different colors, and also it comes in empreinte as well as the monogram, as well as the damier ebene. It doesn't come in the damier azur just yet, so I'm hoping that in the future they would add a damier azur on the Alma BB because it would be a perfect summer bag. And also it comes in vernis leather. So for the Epi leather, let me give you the colors that this is available. It is available in Galet, which is this one. It is also available in black, in indigo, in poppy, in rose ballerine, as well as the grenade, which is the fuchsia. And the interesting thing about this is that the Galet and the Epi leather is the only Alma BB in Epi leather that has the gold hardware. So the rest of the Epi Alma BB, it has the silver hardware. So if you're not into gold hardware, then you could go with the other colors and they come in a silver hardware. So let me just give you a quick description and show you the detail of this bag. Just giving you the dimension of this bag. So it is 9.8 inches across. It is 7.5 inches tall, and the depth would be 4.3 inches. So that is the dimension of this bag, and this is pretty lightweight, and even though it looks really small, but it does fit a lot. So there is the lock, the padlock for this bag, and it comes in double zip closure. As you can see here, I'm sorry, my SLG inside is peeking. So it comes in double zip closure. And so the purpose of this one is that so you could lock it, and so that's the purpose. And it has the key bell over here, and this is where the key is hiding. And for me, sometimes I would put the lock so it won't get scratched, so I would keep it inside the bag. So this one comes in a detachable strap, but the strap is not adjustable. So it has a D-ring over here, and also here that you could remove the strap if you just want to carry it as a top handle. And this bag also has a microfiber lining, and so for the Galet, it has the maroon interior. So I just want to show you, it has a maroon interior and it has a little pocket here, and so it's like a microfiber lining. And I have some of my SLG inside, and yeah. So and it has the LV logo here. So unless you're a Louis Vuitton lover, then you know this bag is a Louis Vuitton. But if you don't know, then you would think this is just some ordinary leather bag. And that's what I love about the Epi leather, because it's an understated bag, and I love how this bag is known for that. And so the Alma BB, you could carry it as a top handle bag, as well as shoulder, as well as a crossbody bag. But unfortunately, the strap is not adjustable. I hope that Louis Vuitton would actually make their strap adjustable in the future. So for short people like me, it's easily adjustable. And also for tall people, they could make it longer. So the Alma BB has 4 prongs as feet, and I already treated this bag with the Colonel Carbon Pro spray, and I'll share with you later on how I did it step by step, so you'll know that if you have a lighter color bag and how to treat your Alma BB or any kind of lighter color bag. So let me give you a closer look of the grain leathers. So I don't know if you could see this, the light is kind of washing it off, but the leather on this one goes that way. So it's really beautiful. It's I really love it. You could fill it up and you won't even feel that it's heavy. And so on one side of the bag, it says here Louis Vuitton Paris, and it says made in France over here. So yeah, so this is actually my first Alma BB, and I really enjoy this. And you know, in the future I would want to add maybe one in Empreinte, as well as maybe a Damier Ebene in the future. But I'm enjoying the Alma BB because I don't want my bags to be too bulky and too heavy, so this one is just perfect. And so yeah, I really truly love it. And let me just share with you how I got this. It was really hard to find. So on the website, you put your zip code, and I'll show you the steps here, how I got this. So, you know, you could either contact your sales advisor, or you could call Louis Vuitton customer service and ask them to locate this bag. To myself, what I did was, you know, every day I would actually, you know, enter where it is available, and finally one day it was available in New York. So I contacted my sales advisor and I said, you know, it's available in New York. Is there any way that you could contact them and order it for me? Which she did, and they ship it to me. So that was easy. But this one is always hard to get online. So if you have a sales advisor, or you know, if you yourself could just check it out, and if you find it like a store, you could always contact the store and say, you know, I want that Alma BB, and they'll ship it out to you. So that was the story of how I got my bag, and I really has been enjoying it. And I highly recommend the Alma BB, as the size is so perfect and it's not bulky, and yeah, so it's really a beautiful bag. And I'll give you a mod shot as well as what fits inside, so you'll see what fits in the Alma BB. So I'm going to show you what fits on my Alma BB in epi leather. As you can see, this is the grain of the leather. It has a nice grain. Its color is so beautiful. So I'll share with you what fits in my bag. And so first, we would put the mini pochette accessoire, and it would fit perfectly here. And then I have the key pouch, and this is where I put my keys inside, and also my card holder also in here. And I also have my AirPods, as well as the iPhone Pro Max, and so it fits perfectly. And I'll show you that the bag is still very spacious, and you could actually still fit like maybe a full-size wallet in here. So this bag is really spacious, even though it is tiny, but it does pack a lot. So yeah, so if you love to get your Alma BB, then I highly recommend this bag, because this bag pack a punch and it's so beautiful. So there goes my review for my Alma BB in epi leather. It's in Galet color. Again, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you soon.